and it was raining over him, and he had a hat, and he had claws, and he moved to the woods with a cane, and the refrigerator growled, and it shook at me, and I don't know what to do. I think I'm going insane. Is this some kind of joke? Oh, are you and Mark in on this together now? No, of course I wouldn't play a joke on you like that. I'm serious. I am completely serious. The refrigerator like almost slammed my arm in it. I swear it tried to eat me, alright? I wouldn't lie to you. I'm out of here, you know. I regret even thinking about asking you to marry me. I'm kidding! Some people yelling and crying. I don't know. Hey, Lori, what you doing down there?
Mark left.
Well, where'd he go? Did he just go?
I don't know. He left.
To the bathroom?
No, he left really.
Well, this is his party. Where's he gonna go?
I don't know. It's his house.
Yeah. I bet he locked himself in his closet. That's where I always go.
You're a good friend.
Thanks. Yeah, so, why did Mike leave?
He thought we were kidding about the refrigerator.
You mean about the old geyser?
No. I went to the refrigerator, right?
Uh-huh.
And I went to it, and it growled. It said, "Mom!" Just like that. And then all of a sudden, it started shaking.
Okay.
And there was this disgusting red stuff all over it, and I hope it wasn't blood.
Okay. Just let me think about this for a minute. Okay. So, old Coot told us there's a refrigerator that attacked people.
And then the refrigerator tried to attack me.
I was getting to that. Women, you're just all thinking too fast. Okay, Lori, see, in Australia, we have this quote thing, and it's like a proverb, parable thing, you know? And we say, when you fall off the kangaroo, you just gotta get back on. So, what I'm thinking is you just need to hippity-hop yourself back over to the refrigerator and face your fare and be like, refrigerator, you don't own me, you got nothing on me, and then get you your drink and walk back, because it's a refrigerator and you can just be like, whatever. Okay?
I don't know. I mean, it was real. It was real.
Okay. I see things all the time too.
No, I didn't see it. It was real.
Yeah, I thought they were real too, but then the therapist was like, no. You're having mirages of water and dingoes and cactuses and stuff that reminds me.
You know, you're right.
Yeah.
I mean, it's insane. I mean, it's insane to think that a refrigerator actually tried. I thought a refrigerator.
I know.
I mean, next thing you know, I'm going to think the oven is trying to, you know, cook my cat or something.
I know.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. Do you want anything while I'm over there?
Yeah. Sure.
What do you want?
Oh gosh.
Pepto-Bismol?
Sure. National drink of Australia.
All right.
It'll go down good.
I'll get
yeah.
you some. Yeah.
Go ahead. She's a fine little lady.
You know, Mark is right. This is silly. It's a stupid refrigerator. Sarah, have you seen Lori?
Lori, she's that chick with the blonde hair?
Yeah, ponytail. She was wearing a skirt and a jean jacket.
I heard you were going out.
Yeah, we are. We're going through some problems right now. Just tell me if you've seen her.
Oh, I saw her like an hour ago.
Well, just whatever. All right, thanks.
Okay.
Hey,
Mike.
Hey, Fat. Have you seen Lori?
Lori, no, I haven't seen her for like 2 hours. I don't know, where'd she go?
I don't know. I left. I'm coming back to find her.
Oh.
I need to apologize. I was acting a little rude.
A little relationship trouble.
Yeah, something like that.
Well, let me know if you find her.
All right. Talk to you later.
Bye, Mike.
Is that Lori's jacket? What? Lori? This is blood. Lori's blood. Everywhere. She wasn't kidding. Mark! Mark! Mark!
Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude.
Mark!
Whoa now.
Mark! What?
Whoa!
Mark!
What?
Lori, her jacket is, and there's blood everywhere.
You joshing me?
No, I got her. This is her blood on my hands. Mark, the refrigerator.
Just wait, the refrigerator? Holy cannoli, what is that?
Look at it. That's her jacket.
Well, are you sure that's not some other one?
Look, man, I'm telling you, I got her that last Christmas. It's her jacket. It's her blood. This is all my fault.
Okay, maybe that is her jacket. But, look, it's not your fault, man.
What happened while I was gone?
See. Well, I called for you, and she went to get a drink.
How long ago was that?
Maybe half an hour?
Ugh. All right. This is all my fault. I feel sick.
Well, okay, let's think here. What would they do back in Australia? Probably get the dingoes and the wallabies. No, they wouldn't. No, not gonna work. Maybe we'd. No. Well, I guess maybe I could open it. Lori's not in there. Whoa! Alright. Listen now. Listen. Now, what? Okay. Hold on. Just wait. I gotta think about this. Hey. Listen now, you! Refrigerator! You aren't the boss of me! You ain't my friend! I'm going to attack you! You want a piece of me? You don't know what you messed with, you refrigerator! Don't you talk back to me!
Mark?